have been dumpster diving, and I found a box there you can see here, which is full of sensors and different measuring equipment, and the telephone. Let's have a look what we got here. There's a lot of things here. We got some circuit board from I don't know, it looks like a special unit. It has a lot of terminals here. Got a calibration box, 8 ohms. I think there is a 8 ohm resistor in here. Got some thermometer, this telephone with different numbers here. This is to the police and this is the emergency number. It's a 911 in the US. Looks like a bunch of wires. The telephone is out of the way. They got some mains cable going to some box. Look at this. Water conductivity, mega ohms per centimeter. The water passes through here. We got 2 electrodes. So we'll have a look inside this one. Maybe it's dodgy. Maybe there's a mains voltage across here. This meter is smashed up. It's a Testo 450. Some temperature and humidity. There's another meter here. Millivolts degrees Celsius. So I wonder what this measures. Millivolts. What have that to do with how warm it is? I don't know, maybe some kind of conductivity. We got some cable, a lot of cable. We got some kind of sensor here. I don't know what that is. Here we got another probe. This is a thermometer, I think, or a temperature sensor. Max 180 degrees Celsius. And here's a pH meter. You can see it should be a special solution in this thing, but I think it's empty. There's nothing in there. We pull it out. You can see the probe here. There's the probe. Little easier to have the box on the table like this. And let's have a look. This is a Geiger meter or Geiger tube measuring radioactivity. Here's another one of these temperature sensors. pH meter. Got a BNC connector. Hanna conductivity meter. Measures in microsiemens or millisiemens of conductivity. And here's the end of it, the probe. We can see here we got different pins here. Senses the fluid. This is some kind of conductivity probe as well. Goes to a meter. Salt temperature. This is a salinity meter. We got some measurement unit here. Measurement thing. It's in a box. Grundfos. Series 2000 or 50. Some communication here. Infrared LED, a receiver. We measure some pump speeds. You can see here, so a picture of a pump there. Communication. See how much power the pump draws or how fast it's moving. This looks like kind of a 3.5 millimeter plug here. Some special connector. A lot of random stuff in here. There's a DVI to... This is what you can connect to your phone. Some smartphones has this connection. Some micro USB here, or yes, micro USB, and a extension here if you want the 3.2 3.1 or 3.0. Some different communication pins. There's a potentiometer. Another meter here. It's a HANA meter as well. Microcomputer pH meter. So it's a pH. Let's see where it goes. It goes to these two probes here. But this one here, which is the pH, it should be in a solution, but this is empty as well. What does it say? Unscrew cap from bottle before removing electrode. So you can't just remove it like this. It's a sealing ring in here, so you actually need to unscrew it. Maybe there is some fluid left in this one. Yes, there is. See here in the tube. So yeah, some kind of temperature measurement and pH. But it only says pH. Oh, there you go. Temperature, degrees Celsius here. Dissolved oxygen meter. That sounds kind of good. If you're measuring the oxygen in the water. Good if you have an aquarium with fish. pH and temperature meter. Should be the same connections here. No, not the same. This looks like an antenna connection. Here's a temperature probe. Maybe this one should go here. The temperature probe. If it's a PT100 or something. Maybe. Here's that thing that looked like an antenna connector. Should connect in here. It's a bit hard to get it in. We got a mouse. Wireless mouse. With a USB receiver here. You got another pH probe. Something here. Don't know what it is. You can connect it to a computer. TM4000. I wonder what this does. This is connected to. It's flying all over the place. Looks like an infrared and a receiver. Infrared LED. Communication for something. A PT100 temperature sensor. Another PT100. This is like precision temperature sensors. Some fuses. We've got a lot of temperature probes here. Soon empty. With a roll of flat flex. Some terminal with a plug in the end. You can connect it to the wall. We got some damaged cable that goes to this. Yes, this looks like a temperature and humidity probe. Yes, this is the testo one. We should connect the testo meter. This one, which looks kind of smashed up. Where's the connector? There it is. You can actually connect two of those. What looks of it. I think this is from some kind of soldering iron. Here's some more pH probes. This was a special one. Got a long wire going to this. What we got at the end here? I wonder what this thing can be. That was a special probe. And we've got another temperature probe in here. Another temperature probe as well. And that's it. And we've got no more probes here. We've got some random connectors that I fell off some wire. And yes, that's about it. Now the box is empty. And this is what we got in the box. A lot of different meters and probes. A bunch of them. And now I've tied it up a little bit. Now you can see all the things we got in that box. All the good stuff. Got a lot of different meters here. Some probes. These are pH probes. Some temperature sensors here. PT100. We got some other temperature sensors over there. And over here we got this one, which measures both humidity and the temperature. We got this one with a special probe that measures the dissolved oxygen in the water. Normal window thermometer here. Got this manometer for the water conductivity. We got this other manometer over there, which was pH. And that one which electrocutes water. Maybe we can have a look at that one as well. So a little close up on the meters here. Hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching.